Welcome back to HackerRank. Today we're diving into HashMaps in JavaScript, a powerful tool that can help you solve coding problems more efficiently. Let's get started. A HashMap is a data structure that stores data in key-value pairs. This makes it super fast to look up, add, or remove data without searching through everything. HashMaps are perfect when you need quick data access like counting elements, grouping data, or caching results. They can solve some coding problems much faster than arrays. Here's how to create and use a hash map in JavaScript. Here's an example of how a hash map can solve problems. This function counts how many times each number appears in an array, something that would take much longer with loops alone. Be careful. Always check if a key already exists before updating it. And remember, keys must be unique, so adding the same key again will overwrite the value. Next time, we'll apply hash maps to solve real LeetCode problems more efficiently. Don't miss it. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you'd like to support my channel, you can send a tip on Cash App. My username is AutisticCoder. See you next time.